In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see saved posts on Twitter. Even though the platform is now called X, a lot of people still say Twitter, so I'll use both terms in this tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where your bookmarked posts are and how to access them quickly whenever you want. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the X website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home feed automatically. This is what we'll call your home dashboard. It's the main screen where you see tweets and posts from people you follow, trending content, and recommendations. If for any reason you're not on the home page, you can always get there by clicking the home icon in the menu on the left side of the screen. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go straight to your profile page instead. Your profile dashboard shows your own posts, replies, and media. But the important thing is that from either home or your profile, you'll be able to access your saved posts in exactly the same way. Now, look at the left-hand column of the screen. This is the main navigation menu on X. Here you'll see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more, depending on your account and any features you might have. Take a moment to scan down this menu slowly so you don't miss anything. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Bookmarks. This is where all the posts you have saved are stored. Whenever you tap or click the bookmark icon on a tweet, it is added to this section, and only you can see it. Bookmarks are private, so no one else can tell what you've saved. Go ahead and click on Bookmarks in that left-hand column. As soon as you do, the main area of the screen will change and load your bookmarked posts. Here, you can scroll through and see everything you've saved, in the order you saved it, starting with the most recent. From this view, you can interact with posts just like you would in your regular feed. You can like them, reply, repost, or click into them to see full conversations. If you want to remove something from your saved list, open the post and unselect the bookmark icon. And that's it. That's all you need to do to see your saved posts on Twitter or X.